Hello friends, 4 to the power of x plus 1 minus 2 to the power of x equals to 14. When we look at this problem first time, it looks very complicated. But once we understand that we can use law of exponents and a little bit of substitution, this equation will reduce into a quadratic equation. Then that problem can be solved very easily. So stick with me for 2 to 3 minutes. We'll solve together this complicated equation, reduce it to a quadratic equation and find out the value of x. Now to start with, what is our starting point? 4 to the power of x plus 1 and 2 power x. What is the relation between 4 and 2? 4 equals to 2 square. So let's use that and we'll write down 2 square whole to the power of x plus 1 minus 2 power x equals to 14. Now we have a formula that a power m whole to the power of n equals to a power mn. So we can write down 2 power 2x plus 2 minus 2 power x equals to 14. Now we have another law which says a power m into a power n is a power m plus n. So we can write down 2 power 2x plus 2 as 2 power 2x into 2 square minus 2 power x minus 14 equals to 0. Now 2 square is 4. 2 power 2x can be written as 2 power x whole square. Both are same. Minus 2 power x minus 14 equals to 0. Now we can clearly see that this whole equation is in terms of 2 power x. So let us say let 2 power x equals to t. Now what happens? Our equation will become 4t square minus t minus 14 equals to 0. You can see how it reduced into a simple quadratic equation. Now we can solve this. Factorize sum equals to minus 1, product equals to minus 56. We can write it as minus 8 plus 7. It will become 4t square minus 8t plus 7t minus 14 equals to 0. We can take 4t common. 4t into t minus 2 plus 7 into t minus 2 equals to 0. So we get two options. One 4t plus 7 equals to 0. The other one is t minus 2 equals to 0. From the first one we will get 4t plus 7 equals to 0. T equals to minus 7 by 4. From the other we get t equals to 2. Now t is 2 power x. 2 power x can never be negative. Cannot be negative. So this is ruled out. Only option we have is t equals to 2. But what is t? T is 2 power x equals to 2 power 1. That means x equals to 1. If you liked this solution for such interesting problems, please subscribe to Jatheen channel. Also, I have given another problem as a pinned comment, so you can try to solve it and let me know the solution whatever you got. If your answer is correct, I am going to give you a heart. Thank you.